How to start earning on Rooster Wars. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on an NFT game which helps you make money online. I will be telling you how you can start earning on Rooster Wars, how to get started, and how actually this game works. So let's get into it. First, what you need to do is you can go to roosterwars.io and you will get on this platform right here, which is a game. Rooster Wars is getting really famous nowadays, and it is an NFT game that we can play to make money. So we have another NFT game that will allow us to make money really easily, free to play, a fun game, and I will show you everything, all of the features, and how to actually get started. Once you get to roosterwars.io, you will get right here. Now, you can see we have download option given here. So if you click on download now, you will be able to download Rooster Wars and play it. We can play it on our Android phone as well. So what is Rooster Wars? Well, Rooster Wars is an NFT game where you have these roosters and so first of all, what is Rooster Wars? Well, Rooster Wars is a full 3D scaled based game where you play to earn, which is an NFT fighting game designed with 100% user strategic control. What happens is that there are different roosters, and it also has a really nice storyline. Like, there were these creatures and they were called Manox, who have been living together peacefully since the dawn of time on a planet called Gallios. One day a disaster strikes the planet Gallios. A colossal meteor plunged into the center of the Manox land and separated into smaller land masses, and now these roosters are actually fighting and building their own lands and having their own places. And we have like different fighting games, and the roosters are gonna fight for their land, and it's going to be like a strategic game as well as a fighting game. So if you like fighting games, like if you were the fan of Taken 3, then I think this might be like a game like that, because it's kind of like a fighting game and there are roosters, so that's actually really nice. So the game looks pretty good. Now let's get into the main thing, which is how we can make money with Rooster Wars. Well, you can see the game features free to play. First of all, different game modes. There is a customizable builds, breeding, smart contract manager. Then we have a land expression and expedition. So what happens on Rooster game is that all of the assets in the game are going to be NFT. Of course, the roosters are NFT, and the game is NFT, and the more levels you get into, these levels are going to be, of course, giving you different rewards, and the rewards are going to be in crypto. When it comes to game, it has its own tokens, and whenever a game has its own token, that means that we can actually play the game and then earn tokens, and these tokens can be converted into real money. So that's how it will be working. So you can see right here, it kind of like works how they have claw attack, which is scissors, and then a wing attack, which is paper, and then beak attack, which is rock. So it's going to be rock, paper, scissor, and that's how it works. That how we play rock, paper, scissor, and how the dynamics of that game works. That's how it works right here when it comes to the main fighting of the game. So this is like a gameplay. So when it comes to making money, you can see right here, Rooster Wars aims to deliver a wide array of entertainment for your gaming and media player, from manga and an NFT game to a marketplace and more. So Rooster War has its own marketplace where we will be able to buy and sell tokens, and that's how we make money on Rooster Wars. We can earn different tokens and then sell them. There are different NFT assets that we can buy and sell as well. There are going to be different powers that we can go for, and we can actually get these tokens, the rock, paper, scissor one, and these will help us win game and earn more and more rewards. So the more you play the game, the more rewards you will be getting, the more different powers you will be getting, tokens that you can earn, and then you can simply make money. So it's a simple NFT game where all of the roosters are NFT, and it's a fighting game that you can play to simply make money. So to access the Rooster War marketplace, you need to connect your wallet, and I'm going to connect my crypto wallet right here, which is going to be a MetaMask wallet. Once you connect your wallet, then you will be able to simply access all of the roosters and the renting, everything. You will be able to see it right here. To get more information into the NFT rooster value, let's simply go to the Rooster Wars value option. And you can see right here, there's an NFT rooster value. And you can see there's a revenue share, NFT rentals, and then we have a revenue share right here. There is also a stable coin earning, and you can see right here, this is how you will be making money. From the fight fee for each fight, the NFT owner of both rooster that participate in match will get 80% of the cut, or 40% each. So what happens is that when two roosters will fight, both of these NFT owners, there is going to be 80% cut from both parties and 40% each. And then you can see like from NFT owner 1 40%, NFT owner 2 40%. Rooster War revenue 14%, and tournament and season rewards are going to be 6%. So this is like the percentage of the earnings right here within Rooster Wars. And if we talk about our, stable coin earnings, so right now Rooster War is not actually, launching its stable coin earnings because the market is down right now at the time of making this video. Therefore, they're kind of like not launching it yet, and they're not telling the what is going to be the stable coin earnings. So we will have to wait for that. You can keep an eye on roosterwars.io. You can download the game and start playing. You can also connect your wallet. You can go to the rent, and it will take you to the roosters and your rents, every like all the information, and you will be able to check the marketplace, and you will be able to check all the roosters available, the NFT assets, NFT roosters that you will be buying with your crypto wallet. If you do not have a crypto wallet, then I would suggest just simply going to metamask.io, which is the simplest crypto wallet that we can get. And you can get that wallet and then connect it to your Rooster Wars. And the more you play the game, it's a simple fighting game. You can just play the game and start making money. There are going to be different tokens. The more tokens you get, the more money you will be making with the fights as well. There are different assets that you can go for. You will have to buy your NFT rooster, or there are going to be free roosters as well. So you can play the game on Android as well. You can see the download option is available. You can also go to the Rooster War value to check out all the value for different revenue and earnings available on Rooster War. So this is all the information you will be getting right here. This was like an overview for you guys to actually show you what Rooster War is and introduce you to Rooster War if you had no idea what it is, and if you were looking for an NFT game which is fun to play, easy to play, and that allows you to make money, then you can just go ahead and check out roosterwars.io. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to start earning on Rooster Wars. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.